Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. Pretty much what this is a Back Posture Corrector, but let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. So you guys can see, once I open the package, this is where you guys get inside. You guys get the actual Back Posture Corrector right here. And that is basically everything that's inside. So you can see right here in the front, they have their US logo right here, and then they have their brand name right there. The material of the product itself feels super nice. You guys definitely get that cushion material that's on the product right here. So basically, as you can see, this is what it looks like right here, and then they provide these two extra accessories right here. So basically, how it works is that you guys want to put this around your back, so let me actually put it on to show you guys what it looks like. So you guys see, this is basically what it looks like in the front side, but let me turn it around and show you guys what the back side looks like. So you guys see, this is what it looks like on the back side. It definitely feels like a huge difference the moment I put it on. It definitely makes you like realize, or force you guys to realize that you guys have to keep your back straight. I feel like this one actually works a lot better than my previous one because of the design of how it is. Like you guys can just tape on this part right here instead of like strapping it on. This part is actually much easier to kind of like loosen it or tighten it, so that's pretty cool. I feel like this one's actually a lot more comfortable in terms of the fit and comfort because of the material that's on here. You guys get the breathable material on here and also the comfort of the padding and everything. So the reason why this is so useful is for people who are in office or at home who is working on the computer and they slouch a lot if they lean forward like this. You guys have a bad habit of doing that, but using this product would definitely make a huge difference to kind of help you guys improve your back posture and everything easier. It's not going to be instant like improvement, but it'll be improvement over time, maybe after a few weeks or so. And the cool thing about these straps is the fact that it's universal. So kids can use this, adults can use this, male, female, whatever the case may be. You guys can use this regardless of what gender you guys are. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that you guys can actually use it like this outside your clothing, or you guys can use it inside so people can see the product being used and everything. So now that we did the unboxing and a quick test of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for those guys who want one or need one of these, then obviously it's worth it. But for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously it's not worth it. But I highly suggest that you guys reconsider and get one of these to help you guys with posture. Even though if your posture is good already, it's always nice to have one of these just in case if you guys start to have like a bad posture or start slouching again, then this would definitely be useful in those cases. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback of this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have.